Before we proceed with the program proper, I would like to take a moment to reflect not only on what is on today's agenda, but more importantly, on why this forum exists. Yesterday, we successfully conducted Cebu Solutions Fest 2026 at Cebu Institute of Technology at University, or CITU. Cebu Solutions Fest 2026 is the flagship Open Innovation Initiative of Cebu Business Month 2026, convened by the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry in partnership with the Sandbox Foundation. More than 70 real-world problem statements were brought forward for consideration. These challenges did not originate from the imagination of the organizers. Rather, they came directly from the government agencies, academic institutions, industry stakeholders that openly identified pressing issues and challenged the innovation community to help address them. Our panel of expert screeners evaluated each proposed solution based on technical feasibility, practicability, scalability, and implementation potential. For the teams that emerged as winners, the journey did not end yesterday. Through our post-event adoption pathway, promising solutions will be connected with government agencies, industry partners, and pilot opportunities that can help transform innovative ideas into tangible impact. This initiative reflects a fundamental truth. Innovation becomes truly meaningful when it is applied to solve real problems faced by real communities.